What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a vodka cocktail. All right, very simple, classic one that most people like. All right, it's called the lemon drop. So let's just get into it. All right, so first thing we are gonna need is 60 mils of vodka, 15 mil triple sec, 30 mil lemon, 30 mil simple syrup, and then we're gonna give that a good shake. We are going to pull out our Nick and Nora, and we are gonna put a sugar rim on there. And then we're gonna pour it in there. And that is all it is, guys. Very simple, not an overly complex cocktail. It's the kind of drink that you want when you're like, I just need something very citrusy. So for the sugar rim garnish on this one, right? Typically what people will do is they'll just take their citrus, wrap it around there, pick it upside down, put it into a pile of sugar, right? So that way you get it all the way around. There's nothing wrong with doing that if you really want sugar in your drink. That's totally fine. What I tend to always do is I do half of the rim, okay? That way, if you want to add sugar into your drink, you can just drink from that side. If you don't, you can drink it from the opposite side, okay? One other thing you'll notice is that I don't just upside down and put it on so that way it's on the actual tip. I like to do it on the side here. Okay, the reasoning for that is because if you put it on the rim, there's a really good chance that some of it is going to fall off into your drink and it's going to become sweeter without you wanting it to become sweeter. Okay, so if you put it around here when you drink, you get that sweetness that you were asking for. If you don't want it, you don't need to have it. Okay, it's pretty simple that way. As for this drink though, like the template is such a great template to play with. What I did once was I infused a vodka with clove, ginger, and some lemon peel. I let that sit for a little while and I used that in a lemon drop, and honestly, it was banging. It was delicious. It's kind of like it's similar to like a hot toddy basically, right? You can actually do that too. It's like if you swap the simple syrup out for maybe a little bit of honey syrup, you have like yourself a small lemon drop hot toddy, and it would be delicious. Like I really enjoyed it. That's why these templates are so good to play with. As for the drink itself though, it was created back in the 70s by Norman J. Hobday. He was an old Vietnam vet who turned into a bar owner. He has taken the credit for this little beauty of a drink. But that is all that I have for you today, guys. Very simple cocktail, very straightforward one. If you do have like alternative recipes for your lemon drop, like how you like to infuse a vodka or something like that, let me know in the comments. Let me hear all those flavors, guys. I want to know. If you like what I do on this channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll be coming out with more every single week. If you have cocktails you think I should do on this channel, let me know in the comments. I'll try and work them in. All right, but until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.